country clubs and golf courses across America are experiencing unprecedented virus challenges. From member safety to state regulations to new ways of conducting business, everyone is looking for answers to prevent disease within their environments. Green Planet Scientific has the perfect disinfecting and sanitizing solutions to easily, safely, and quickly harness disease control, giving your staff and members safety confidence and local officials peace of mind. Imagine sanitizing, disinfecting, and sterilizing golf carts, landscaping equipment, golf balls, locker rooms, restaurant and function rooms, glass, carpets, and hard surfaces with products that combined are easy to use, 50% more powerful than bleach, 3,000 times faster, killing viruses and bacteria, kills 99% of pathogens, eliminates toxins, odors, stains, mold, and mildew, and will replace all your current chemicals while cutting your costs by over 60%. For over 30 years, Green Planet Scientific has been developing environmentally friendly cleaners, sanitizers, disinfectants, and sterilizers that are near pH neutral, which means they will not harm your people or infrastructure, and they actually work.
Using Green Planet was the best move we have ever made. We don't have chemical smells, eliminated all residues so no more slips, decreased staff absentee, and reduced cleaning costs by 60%. It was truly amazing and exceeded all expectations.
Green Planet Scientific has the perfect solutions which collectively exceed Green Seal GS37 and GS57 standards for industrial use, are approved by the EPA, FDA, USDA, and compliant with the EPA Organic Program, eliminating the need for chemicals. You will no longer have to worry about product access and availability. Contact Green Planet Scientific today and discover for yourself the science of green.